Go.
Recording all of Stu's fuck-ups.
Fuck you. Ah, fucking. The end of that one was a wee bit sloppy.
Yeah, I know. I think the end of the one before was okay though. Right, so. It's the same fill you play each time as that.
Yeah.
Because you did a fucking awesome one here. That was the second one.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to take that one and put it in all the bits.
We're cutting that bit, nobody's going to know.
I'm going to fix Stuart's horrendous bass playing.
You suck, bassist. You plank spanker.
No, it's on the beat. On the beat.
Is it?
The click is in time with it. Listen, the click is in time with Steve's drums.
It's always one note that's the hardest thing to
Wrong.
do.
Yeah, so just count 8. Yeah?
I got 5 strikes though.
Right, ready?
Yeah, self-deprecating bass player.
Aye, fucking kill it.
Ow.